Kurumirira ihinda iraihu ria kuiga bururi na gieterero kinene riria ndundu njeru ya aminister karekererio. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta riu ni erigiriirwo kwanirira maritwa maria mekumba thirikari njeru ihinda-ini riothe kuma riu. No angikorwo riboti kuma thingira-ini wa iregi undu umwe na arata hakuhi a president no agwitikio. Ateti na atongoria aria makoretwo makinyotera itura ici maya gukorwo matakenete.
You may be surprised. The changes may be very minimal. If he's going to behave like his father, he will not tweak his cabinet too much. Okay, a few bad ones he will have to deal with. Because of course, a lot of Kenyans expect some of those guys to be shown the door.
Kuringana na gatiba ya bururi, president no amure muigana wa minister 22. Undu uria erigiriirwo gwika niguo kugia na mweke wa kunyitithania akenya othe kurumirira ithurano igiri cia president na iria itigite bururi na nguraro nyingi.
He's going to consider regional, gender, ethnic, tribal, all those balances. He's going to consider that.
Nijue ni akite mathabu wega na ni akurora uria kuria kwina inegene gukuhutahutio nigetha manegene mathire. Na nikio ndireciria ati akiongerera ringi ministry ta ithatu ni cia kugeria gukinyiria kuria gukorwo kwina tumanegene kuhote kuhutahutio nigetha onao makorwo makigwa ta makiri na representation thini wa cabinet.
If we have a government where we will bring on board, where we shall have every tribe looked into, every region looked into, every region represented accordingly, I know at least there will be a little bit of healing.
Kwa ihinda riri namba nene ya minister mari rutha nginyagia tariki 8 mweri uyu thutha wa gukorwo metikiritio ni mutongoria wa bururi. No na kuri gwa amwe ya minister ihinda riri ni merigiriirwo gutigithio wira kana gutumwo honge-ini itiganite. Riri atongoria kuma icigo itiganite cia bururi mathiete na mbere guthingata mutongoria wa bururi kumaririkana hari wa murani wake.
Munene wa bururi akigaya no ega kuririkana ona ithui no tukubatara kugairwo koguo ndagakigaya ciothe akiriganirwo ni mucii ona mucii tondu mucii no mucii ona kukunge kuhana uria kuhana na akimakinyagiria na akimaheaga iturwa ona mucii tutigakiriganira.
You may also take your seat.
Mothe kenda wa 10 ate mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake William Ruto nio mari na kiugo kia muthia kia riria makanirira ndundu njeru ya minister. No kuri akenya meguthie na mbere gukorwo metereire. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.